Year 6 Maths Revision, Area of Squares and Rectangles. Now, in the last lesson, we looked at how to find the perimeter of shapes, and the perimeter is all the way around the outside of a shape. So let's look at this rectangle here. This side is 7, so that means this side is 7 and this is 3. So to find the perimeter, we do 7 add 7, which is 14. We do 3 add 3, which is 6. 14 add 6 is 20. So the perimeter, the line all the way around the outside, is 20 centimetres. However, today we're not looking at perimeter, we're looking at area. And the learning objective is I can find the area of squares and rectangles. The area is how much space that shape covers. And it's very, very easy to work out the area of a rectangle. All you simply do, you find out the width of the rectangle. So the width of this rectangle is 3 centimetres. So if I write W for width, that's how wide it is, 3 centimetres. And then you look at the length. And the length, if I put L for length, the length is 7. And all you do is you multiply those two numbers together. So 3 times 7 is 21 centimetres. The area of that rectangle is 21 centimetres. So it's width multiplied by the length. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so here we have another rectangle. The width of the rectangle is 5 centimetres. There's the width, how wide it is. And the length, so there's W, there's L. The length is 8 centimetres. So to find the area, you do 5 times 8. And 5 times 8 is 40 centimetres. Now, if you look at the top here, we can say A for area equals width times length. And that's called an equation. So area equals width times length. You could write length times width. Another rectangle here. The width of the rectangle is 6 centimetres. The length is 3 centimetres. So as I've just said, the area equals width times length. So 6 centimetres times 3 centimetres equals 18 centimetres. So the area is 18 centimetres. Now, the LO is to find rectangles and the area of rectangles and squares. So far, we've looked at rectangles. Now, the difference between a rectangle and a square, all the sides are the same. So the width and the length are the same, but it's the same equation. Area equals width times length. So all you do is you do, in this case, 4 centimetres times 4 centimetres equals 16 centimetres. Now, it's very important that something I haven't mentioned so far. When we talk about area, we're talking about how much space is covered. So when you write area, you write 16 centimetres and then you put a small 2 up here. 16 centimetres square. And that means area. That talks about how much space is covered. You can actually look up the area of different countries. And it's not given in centimetres. A country will be given in kilometres. So how much space, and it will always have a little 2 up there. So if we go back through our answers, the area here for this one is 21 centimetres square. Look, I've just added, let me change the colour to red for the next one. So the area for this one was 40 centimetres square. And the area of this one, 18 centimetres square. And finally, we've looked up here, 16 centimetres square. So that's how you find the area of a rectangle or a square. you multiply the width by the length. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at our next video.